So after almost 2 months na walang bisikleta, I got up again on my saddle and I just had my kadiring tooth extraction. I can still feel the pain. So the reason why I'm recording this is just to test the audio quality and of course the video, if it's stable and the audio is clear enough. So we're in Leguia. It's a very good, it's a very good route. It's has a decent climb and it's quite short. If you're looking for a quick spin in the morning before going to work, you can try this route. I think it's a 7-10 kilometer route from my house. Wait, someone texted. So I think this is a nice route, no? Konti lang yung sasakyan. Then you can talk pretty much whatever you want to talk about. Morning. Oh, meron mga banda-banda. Tunch, 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 tunch. Now we're actually almost at the end of the route. Everything that I just said really makes no sense. So ang labas nito kasi is highway na. At this point, I still cannot open my mouth freely. Sakit-sakit pa rin ng gilagid ko. So, let's adjust our gearing. Kasi medyo paakyat na to eh. And we don't want to torture ourselves. If you can, if you can make it easier naman to yourself, why not, diba? Like this, one more gear up. One more gear up. Yan, para talagang easy peasy na siya. Hindi masyado masaktan ng ating gilagid. Alright, now we're here. Bumaba tayo ng bike. Tayo. Medyo marim-marim ito. Hihi. Oh God. Alright. Salamat po. Grabe. Sumasakit na naman yung galagid ko. Should I buy another camera or no? I guess the practical answer should be no. What I really wanted is a big bike, so I can do my adventures and go around the world. Kasi I can do it naman with my bike, but the problem is I don't have the time. for all the things that you do, for all the things that you spend, either time or money, you should get the best value for it. Oh gosh, nakakatakot siya. Nakakatakot siya. Oo, pare.